You're watching American Food Network.
This time on the Colorado Springs Food Guide.
Hi, this is the Colorado Springs Food Guide. We're here at the Nature and Raptor Center in Pueblo, Colorado, home of the Coyote Grille. Hi, we're here with John. John, please tell us more about the Nature Center.
Well, I'd be happy to. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm John Gallagher, and I'm the director of the Nature and Raptor Center in Pueblo.
Right.
And we're really happy to have you guys here today.
Okay.
We are a 36-year-old nature center.
Right.
Right down on the Arkansas River. We have also have a raptor rehabilitation center here on the premises.
Okay.
We get in about 200 injured birds of prey every year.
Right.
With the goal of rehabilitating them and getting them back out into the wild.
Okay, that sounds great.
Yep. And at the Nature Center, we've got biking and hiking trails right on the river. Lots of fun things to do here, including a restaurant, the Coyote Grille.
Hi, we're here with Jeremiah from Livy Lou's Sweet Shop, and he's going to show us how to make one of their fantastic root beer floats.
So we start with a cold mug out of the freezer, and then we just grab some ice cream here.
Right?
And I usually do about 3 real good scoops.
Okay.
This. Take a root beer, and this IBC root beer.
Wow, I love IBC root beer.
And we just pour it in kind of at an angle like this, kind of slow, because it'll fizz up as soon as it hits that ice cream.
Right.
Just gotta pour it real slow.
Really slow?
Slow as possible. And then it's basically going to go like that, and then you got to let it sit there for a minute and let all that fizz kind of go down.
Right.
You still got about 3/4 of the bottle to fit in there. So,
Whoa.
just kind of
In a little bit?
keep going like that.
Oh.
I can't wait to dive into this. Oh, no, I can't wait. I'm going to drink this.
Thank you.
Fantastic. The next time that you're here in the Nature Center, stop in at Livy Lou's Sweet Shop and ask for Jeremiah. Jeremiah, it was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we'll see you guys when the food is on the table. Hi, we're here with Veronica, the owner of the Coyote Grille here in the Nature. So Veronica, explain to us more about the Coyote Grille.
Okay, Coyote Grille here at the Nature Center is an absolutely beautiful place to be. We have amazing food and a gorgeous
View. Yeah.
absolutely right here on the Riverwalk. And then we also feature Livy Lou's Sweet Shop,
Right.
which we do a whole lot of different treats, banana splits,
Right.
different cakes, and pineapple upside down cakes, and breads.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Okay, well, thanks again. And we already ordered, so we're just waiting for the food to be delivered.
Awesome.
And I'm looking, here it
Well,
comes.
here it comes. Perfect.
Alrighty, perfect timing, right on time. Okay, so we're gonna get into this and I'm gonna tell you exactly the taste of everything.
This here is, it looks like a big Bopper with provolone cheese and bacon and fresh cut fries.
Right?
I'll flip it around here for you.
Oh, let me grab it and bring it up close so you get a good look at that.
All of our burgers are named after different 50s musicians.
Oh, wow. And what was the thing behind that? Why did you name a restaurant a 50s theme?
50s style. I don't know. I just kind of always liked it. I like the music in the background is all 50s, and I like the soda shop feel.
Okay. Well, we're going to just dive right on in, and I'll tell you again how well this hamburger is, and I will be back in a few.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks. Here's the big Bopper. Let's just take a taste. The Big Bopper here at the Coyote Grille at the Nature was tender, juicy, and delectable. Let's take another bite of that great burger. Wow, this burger was out of sight. The best hamburger in Pueblo, Colorado. Besides great burger, the Coyote Grille has great meals such as spinach salad with salmon. Let's take a taste. Very good.
Is it yummy?
Oh, I grab another piece. The Coyote Grille here at the Nature only cook with fresh, lean meat, a 90-10 mixture. So whenever you're looking for that perfect hamburger or that delicious meal, stop in at the Coyote Grille here at the Nature in Pueblo, Colorado. Holiday Inn is the official hotel chain of the Colorado Springs Food Guide.